It's beautiful. Oh my god, I love it. This formula feels so good. Oh my god, I love it. If you tired of matte lipstick, hi everyone, welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel, and today we're gonna try brand new Estee Lauder lipstick. I have 12 colors for you. This is how it's look packaging. It's a beautiful navy box. This is how lipstick look, very like skinny, tiny, $40. I personally really like this small tiny applicator, but let's try, let's feel formula. Again, all what I know, it's $40. It's made in Italy, not in United States. It's made in Italy, and it's supposed to very good hydrating lip formula. Little bit more about this formula. It's 8-hour comfortable wear and shine, not creasing, not fading, not bleeding, immediately plump your lips. I think I am ready to try first lip color. I do have little bit issue when you look it in the back, name of lipstick or number. It's like it's impossible to see. I need to get the glasses. Let's start with first color, and it's raw number. It's really soft and neutral. This is first color, raw number. I actually really like. It's very soft. It's little bit more like a beige orangey color, but it's make me look young, and I like how formula very feels creamy. I don't feel any taste, no fragrance. I like it. I actually really like this first color. Again, it's a raw number. Oh my god, I love it. Now we're gonna try second color, and it's color shh. Second color shh. It's have little bit more plummy mauve undertone. This is very pretty. I think this is perfect for fall or for evening because it's still soft, but it is deeper color, but it's beautiful. This is its second color shh. Color number 3, call 55. I'm smiling because I really like this color too. Please help me. I need your help. Let me know, like 2 lipstick you think about they look the best on me. And if you like this video, if you like to support me, please give me a like, thumbs up, please. I really appreciate it. More people will see my video and will help me to grow my YouTube channel. Love you more than ice cream. Again, this is its color, call 55. It's more brown. Color number 4, second glance. And it's little bit darker what so far we try with you, but it is beautiful. Personally, I really like formula. This formula feels so good, so hydrated, and I don't feel it's gonna run. I think it's gonna stay really good and small, this tiny applicator. I like it because I can make these little details. I don't have lip liner. I don't need lip liner. I love it. $40, kind of expensive, but you know what? They made it in Italy, and if you like Estee Lauder, you know it's a good quality lipstick. Wow, sun so bright outside. I feel I need a color. Summer, it's almost here. And let's try this beautiful, what it is, red, orange? I don't even know. Let's try. Wow, this is its color playtime. We're not playing with you, we are talking with you. It's beautiful, it's sexy, it's make my lips hot. But you know what? I feel a little bit pale. I'm gonna put little bit Pat McGrath blush. I just need little bit more color. This is color playtime. I am so happy, it's so beautiful. I have another red lipstick. Let's try. It's Adrenaline Rush. This is its color Adrenaline Rush. This is its color Adrenaline Rush, and to me personally it's a little bit more orangey than first one red, which one I have here. And I don't know why I feel this one it's a little bit more like a sheer, not sheer formula, but a little bit less pigment than previous red color. But it's very pretty. I wearing today Pat McGrath Mothership eyeshadow number 7. It's beautiful, goes with my makeup. I'm removing lipstick with MAC Makeup Wipes. It's so easy, it's not drying my lips, it's not damage my lips. And what I noticed, well, you know, sometimes you try on lipstick and it's give you this like a lip stain. These lipsticks, they don't have lip stain, and again, they're very creamy. They really have a nice, beautiful texture. And if you tired of matte lipstick, it's such a beautiful formula. I absolutely love this formula. Out of time, it looks like almost same like my lip color. It looks so natural. Let's try. Wow, I do like this. It is beautiful, like nude pink, slightly maybe have a blue undertone, but not much. This is like, it's my lip color, but just one level darker. It's beautiful. Oh my god, I love it. And you know what? I decide out of time I'm gonna put next to this first lipstick, which you can see difference between them. Sorry for my hands, it's very swollen and red. I hurt myself at work, fall down, and it's already like what, 5 months. It's hurt me every day, and work comes, doctor say everything it's fine, and I'm like, really, my hand it's swollen and red. Okay, let me put next to first color. I really want you to see difference, and you can see difference, but I definitely like this two color. I don't know if I like first one or I like out of time. You need to help me. You need to tell me, Katerina, which one it looks the best on me. Color Heat of the Moment. It is beautiful. It is a little bit more darker, but it looks pretty on me. This is Color Heat of the Moment. Again, if you have dry lips, you will love this lipstick. It feels so good on my lips. And now it's time to try something bright and pink. Time to settle. Wow! Oh my god, look at this bright, beautiful lip color. You know, this year it is season for a bright fuchsia pink color. It's pretty soon. It's coming. I will give you a secret little bit. For summer, you will see a lot of brands bringing like purple eyeshadows, like bright green eyeshadows, and bright lipstick we will need for summer for sure. Wow, look at this color. Every single color is beautiful here. So far only one color little bit stain my lips, and it's core to settle, this bright pink color, but rest of it's not. I think I need to put little bit maybe foundation on my lips, just a little bit. Then I have another, looks like a red color, it's named Sabotage. This is color Sabotage. Color Sabotage. Color Tomorrow. This is color Tomorrow. We have one more color with you. This collection, again, we have 12 colors with you. Every single lip color looks beautiful on me, I feel. Like, I think I don't have even one lip color which one I don't like. Please give me like, subscribe, comments below. Okay, let's swatch. Color, it's time. Last color, it's without pouch. It is beautiful. I'm gonna try now, but I'm guaranteed this lipstick will be a 5-star review lipstick. Yes, they new, but I'm telling you, they will sell. Okay, let's try last color. Please give me a like, guys. It's really, it means a lot to me. It's a big support to me and my YouTube channel. Love you more than ice cream. You know I like to talk. Let's try this light lipstick. I'm so excited. Wow, I love this last color. It's soft coral. It keeps me young. Oh, so beautiful. All what I can say, yes, it's worth every single penny. And again, I absolutely in love how lipstick look. Oh, bye everybody, love you more than ice cream.